Hi guys, welcome to Eddie's Jewellery House. So today is a small bead haul. I have some beads drying and these have been soaked and they've also been washed properly. So now they are drying. So they will be here for about 2 days until they are thoroughly dried. So these are amethyst gem chips, which I did find in a charity shop. So these have been washed already and they've been soaking now in fresh water for a day. So they will be coming out soon and go onto the kitchen tissue to dry. Slight damage on the side of one of the beads, but they are lovely. These little ones are the chips of the gemstone, and it's a very, very lucky find. Really lovely. So when these are done, they will go onto the tissue and they will be there for, I would say, for 2 days. So they're thoroughly dried. So the beads here, I have a sea glass beads which are 17mm by 13mm. The beige one in the middle is with the spots on, actually looks like an egg, is 25mm by 18 by 11. And the red bead is actually a ceramic bead, which is lovely, and it's 22mm by 20 and 14mm. The little purple one on the left is a glass bead, and that is 18mm. Really lovely finds. So these are the selection of beads. So you check beads in there and some green beads. Then you have the sea glass and the cubed glass beads, and obviously the ones I've just showed you. So these ones in this bowl are the check glass beads, beautifully made, different sizes. The cuts of the glass, it's like geometric shapes, and I love these, they are perfect. So this particular colour I think is the champagne colour. Absolutely love these. The cut in the glass is exceptional and catches the light beautifully. Different sizes and the standard holes in them too, which is good. I think that these would look so lovely on a single strand necklace. I have a few more of these, but this is just a small amount to show you. Really catches the light and then changes kind of colour. There's a bit of pink in there, maybe purple. So these beads I found in a charity shop in Oxford. I think there was a strand of like 16. There's some lovely greens, lighter ones and darker ones. So these will be lovely for something. Really lovely colour. These beads, if I can pick them up, are actually, they are 6 by 5mm, and they are glass beads, sort of like a white opaline colour, and they are a rondelle. They're lovely too. Very good for sort of like spacer beads, maybe putting in between larger beads. These ones, if I remember, they were also from a charity shop. They are glass beads, clear, and the sizes I think are 6 by 4mm, and they are lovely too. Again, they can be used as a spacer bead. This is the one I showed you at the beginning of the video. It looks like an egg, I think. It's got brown, like a beigey bead with brown, darker brown spots, and the size is 25mm by 18 width and 11mm depth. That's quite a good size hole as well for thicker string. I do apologise in the background if you can hear interference. It's actually my puppy, so sorry about that. As long as you can hear me, that's fine. This one is a ceramic bead, actually a gorgeous colour. This one I've had for a while. I've given it a good wash. This is 22mm by 20mm and the depth is 14mm. Really lovely. And then this last one is 18mm. It is glass and it is purple and clear. It's actually a really, really pretty bead. You could have it as a focal bead with maybe seed beads either side. So it's just like you could make like a dainty necklace with this. Maybe a choker necklace. So this next bead is it's a gorgeous colour, gorgeous bead. It is actually sea glass, made into obviously a bead. It's absolutely lovely, and the cut of the glass is perfect. Really like these. Good find. And the size of these are 17mm by 13mm. So these beads here are glass beads. They are actually blue frosted glass beads, and they are 8mm. So these ones are very pretty blue. They are an 8mm cubed, and these are lovely. I really do like these ones. I haven't got many of these, but I do have some smaller ones. I think they're a 6mm. It's actually perfect that when you actually go into these charity shops and you find all these different beads, that you can actually give them a good wash and reuse them for other projects. So even the check beads, there's even smaller ones which are really cute. I do like the check beads. So yeah, always go and have a hunt in charity shops and even online. You can get some really cheap beads that are actually really lovely, and then you can give them a good wash, make something and give it a good lease of life. So I'm hoping you liked my video today. I know I haven't uploaded anything sort of related to jewellery recently. I will be uploading every Saturday from now on, so please come and join me every Saturday at 6 p.m. Please like and comment on my video if you liked it, and also I would really appreciate it if you could subscribe. That'd be brilliant. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye.